Breaking news from the 80s Performance 70s Chevelle project. Aftermarket AMD rear body panel fits, so that's good. And so far today, that's all we have to report. Gonna find some stuff to put these on so we don't screw these wheels up. Tear the front end off, start the door hinges, start stripping paint. I've been working on carrying all the stuff from the inside of the car upstairs so we have some more room. And that's it right now. Not much action here today. We spent the day building shelves upstairs in the loft so I could put all the parts from this car away, whether they want it or not. I'm not going to throw it away. Like the dash, the heater box, the trim that goes here that holds the rubber, probably need that. Anyways, stuff from the car. Got these bolted on so I can take these upstairs, and got all the calipers off, wrapped them up in towels here, put those away. Center caps are in bags. Just trying to be super careful with everything so I don't mess any of the good stuff up. So yeah, next we'll tear the front end off finally. I need Jimmy to help me take the hood off, so I'm just doing a little strip in here. What in the... Don't worry, there'll be much more on here when I'm done with it. I think my sandpaper's dead. Whoa. I don't know what I'm doing here. What did I just do? Anyway. What in the world is going on with this thing? I mean, if you wanted to watch me grind Bondo, you should have just said so. Fine, here you go. Bondo grinding commencing. Whoa, that's crazy. My buddy told me that this little DeWalt 5-inch grinder sander thing was the way to go to strip cars. So I borrowed it from him. Usually I use the 8-inch pad on the buffer, but I only got some crappy Amazon sandpaper for that, so I'm trying this out. Bottom here somewhere. What in the... It's fine. Practically didn't even need that filler there. So we're making some progress. I decided to start stripping paint instead of taking the hood off and the fenders off and putting the door hinges on, because taking the hood off is hard by yourself. So I'll just do that tomorrow. And I'm tired of looking at this thing all crappy. So yeah. All in all, not too bad. There's one hole in the quarter panel from a dent puller. There's a one rust spot there. And your typical dents and crap, and it's kind of beat up here where all the Bondo was. Door, same thing. It's got some holes from a dent puller, slide hammer. And I thought this was original paint on this car, just from the shape it's in, but it's been stripped and painted before. They welded up the holes. It used to have the trim that went along down the top here. And up there. So anyway, I'm stripping it with 80 grit with that electric DeWalt. And then I'm going over it with a DA with 80. And if you're looking for a cheap DA, this Baxter DA from Harbor Freight, I got this one open box for like 80 bucks, but I think they're only 100 bucks new. Not too bad. If you don't want to spend the money on a Dynabraid, I don't see anything wrong. I don't know how long this is going to last, but it's working pretty good. So, doing that, and then wherever you get little stuff where you can't get it, I just take a wire wheel and dig in there and get the stuff clean with the wire wheel, then DA over it again. These still need metalwork, so not too critical right now. I'm just trying to clean it up the best I can. So that's that. I'll be back when I'm back. Sir, I was just gonna come see what you were doing in here.
Well, when it got ran over, it yanked it so it clips real wide.
Oh, great! When we were unloading the car, the e-brake cable got caught under the tire. Yanked it, stopped the car. Why the e-brake cable's even in there, I have no idea, but it's coming out, maybe. Anyway, driver's door's off, and I want you to be careful, sir, when you're loading up these holes right here, because that's getting kind of thin there.
Safety.
But just, real light heat on
Make them this big.
right.
The main start.
And then we'll cut out.
When they get this
we'll cut a
big,
piece out.
and then when it gets this big, we'll just cut it out.
So,
That's awesome.
door's off, obviously. We were going to test fit these hinges, but we're not right now. We got sidetracked by, I don't know what. Stripped the trunk lid though, so that's a bonus. Trunk lid's pretty nice. So far we have this rust hole in this quarter. And there's one hole in the quarter too from a dent puller, but and then there's this rust in this door. There's the holes in the door from the dent puller on the other side, and then there's that rust hole in the windshield frame. Other than that, sir, it should be all.
Yeah, it should be.
Other than all these holes in the firewall. So, yeah. That's the progress for now. Figured I'd show why we needed hinges. Oh, we needed pins and bushings anyway. Focus. Tasty. Safety glasses
It's
working?
all because of this right here.
Hold on, let's show what we're talking about.
If all this crap wasn't
I
back
can't see. The light's facing the wrong way.
If all this wasn't back here, this wouldn't have happened.
Damn it, GM.
Like, look at all this. Mud, dirt.
GM
I mean, look at all this on the ground.
I thought there was some foam back there or something.
Oh. Well, there might be. Yeah, there's something.
Yeah, there's something.
That
That
little welt piece or something.
Are you talking about mud and dirt and just looking at the trunk of this car? I don't even believe it I don't believe it for a second. Because it's dark and you guys can't see. But it's pretty clean. So that's
Nice having these places to put your magnet on the wheel.
oh, excuse me, sir. Yeah, it is pretty tasty. So, yum, this guy.
You want to mail this back?
Yeah, make a keychain. We'll hang it from the rearview mirror. That'll be hard to do, but we'll figure out a way. Stuck on there too good. I thought I designed it to pop off right when the dent was flush. Well, that one's going around the corner. Oh, perfect. Oh, perfect. Just kidding, that one was too much. Yep, oh. And that's not too bad. Well, sir, I've almost got this door done. I don't know what you're doing. The quarter panel over there? Yep. Oh, man. Can't believe it. Right. Let's see how good my weld stuck because I'm going to pull it up on it. If it'll pop off.
Never.
So that would pop off. Here we go now. Oh man, strongest part of the door. That was fun. Alright, so grab it ready. Oh, sir, you need to come through?
I was going to go on.
I'm just gonna show you what's going on here. Weld up the holes, pull some stuff, kind of grind it down, go through, re-weld it, you know. What are you doing, sir? This is a rust-free desert car.
I'm just practicing.
You know what else it is? it's a rust-free dessert car, because that looks pretty tasty.
Yeah.
They just used the windshield washers too much is all that happened there.
Probably should have something.
Excellent work welding that up. Coming over here. It's really coming around. You're gonna let that sit and then wire wheel it.
Nice, I just had a bigger tank.
Well, that would be tasty.
You could just get one of them bathtubs and steel ones.
Yeah, maybe it would just dissolve the whole car.
Whoa, sure, this is a one-owner rust-free car.
Well, it will be rust-free. No, it won't. Perfect patch. Jimmy says that will last a lifetime. His lifetime. That's all that matters.
Definitely outlast me. I use that bedside pieces, so it's coated on.
Oh
the
yeah,
side.
it's
I mean, that
yeah,
thing's
probably
two
aluminum, so it won't even rust. See, it was rusting underneath this lip, so according to Jimmy here, it created a real problem fixing that. But all that matters is it's done.
That's it.
And then here's the piece from the quarter. Tasty. And yeah, I guess that's it for now.
You see this one?
Did I have that?
Yeah. Car.
Where did I get that?
I don't
The brass ones don't seem to work very good.
know.
Well, I mean, they do a little bit. They don't get as aggressive. Maybe I'll try it on this
No?
after this acid's all dry.
Maybe I'll use it on this, get the dirt off.
Yeah. So anyway, I guess that's it for now.